Rear main seal time. Don't do this. Do this. And this. I see people do this all the time. Shit, do this all the time. I'm going to show you how to do this without a special tool that doesn't cost $1 bajillion. So, what you have here is the rear main seal. If you see this lip, how this lip's facing me right now on the inside, if you just shove that on, it's going to flip the lip this way, and then you're going to have a bad time. Might not leak right away, but it's gonna. So I'm going to show you how to get it on without a special tool. So go ahead, kind of fold it in a little bit with your fing longer until you got it to where you're comfortable. Should just 3D print something like this that'll work with this. So I just massage it a little bit until it's pointing that direction, until you can get to this point. So you're going to get to here, but you also got to be careful. So you're going to need a little tool, like a flat, blunt one, and then you're going to have to kind of massage it in. So it's just really hard to get started. So you need the seal to be folded in like this. Don't go too ham on it. So then you get it folded a little bit, and then you'll see this lip here. So what you're going to do is kind of apply some pressure this way and massage this till you get it in there. So you go around, and then you also want to make sure that you don't fold it, crease it in the middle, because sometimes it likes to crease. So right now I'm just putting a little pressure and pulling it towards this way. There you go. I don't have any sealant on here, I just was doing it for you know, showing you guys. So then you get it on, and then the seal will be flipped in like this, and then you're set. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this because I gotta, and you can see the seal is it's going this way, not this way. So I'm gonna put some sealant on here. And then I like to go across here. It's a little harder to do with sealant because you can't really get a good grip on it, because now you got to be careful with the backside. Maybe going down's easier than, yeah. No. Got it. And there's a channel right here. You can see it from the outside for placing your bead, so it's pretty easy. Just follow that, put extra in those corners. Oh no, I'm missing one. That on. Don't forget this bad girl. I need to put my dowels on.